Scoundrel CI file. Look at all this lore I've unlocked. Ooh, 2 missions, fancy. Ooh, and some people to fight. Look at this. You know what they say, never bring a gun to a knife fight. Never let your enemy bring a car to a regular fight. 'Cause here I fucking come. Undercover Officer Wei Shin. Reporting. All 3 of you guys are the same person. Protect and serve. Oh, you son of a bitch. Also, I brought a gun, so... Oh, hang on. Give me a second. Also, I brought a gun. To protect and serve. God, I love being a cop. Oh, I need that. Oh, he's gone. The one I let get away. Cop? I mean, not a cop. Taxi? Are you a taxi? No. Are you a taxi? No. Is anybody here? Nobody here is going. Is it because of me? No, it's because you're stupid. Alright. Taxi? Anybody? Nobody? Is there like a place around here? Did I even... Hang on. I need to check. I need to check if I started recording. Oh shit. Oh shit. Hang on. Hang on a second. Let me see. This is gonna sound really weird. This is gonna be my old audio. But like,
say how many lives you saved.
yes,
But
yes, I did. This is a new recording. Okay. I love being a professional. All right, and then we have to turn on full screen again. Blah 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 blah. Yes, save changes. Amazing, incredible. And then I also wanted to check maps. See if there's any. Ooh, there's this thing. Truck recovery. Sure. Let's do it. Only my car wasn't a piece of shit. Don't do it, Wei. Wei, I'm telling you, don't do it. Thank you for not doing it. There is nothing actually even close to there, so I guess I'm just driving over here. Can I get my slightly less piece of shit?
Do you have a car in here?
Sure, this one's probably
You
the
go
best.
enjoy yourself.
Here I go, off to enjoy myself. Clean drive, not for long. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck up. So smooth with it. I'm really hoping this puts us up to phase 4. I could have killed you. That could have been bad. Okay. Howdy doody.
Just my damn luck.
What's the problem?
I borrowed money to bet, but I lost. And the guy took my truck. Can you get it back for me?
I'll get it back for you.
Sure, why the
Hey,
fuck not?
thanks, buddy. I'll make it worth your while.
Here, I've got all this money that I've got. That guy's in a world of problems. It's up to Officer Shin to help this degenerate gambler. He's a degenerate gambler, Anthony. I had to do it. Oh, hey there, truck. Fancy seeing you here. Don't mind if I do. It's a good thing I'm wearing my helmet. Watch me do this cool, unnecessary fucking spin move. Oh, I need to go this way. Okay. I assumed I was. Oh shit, he's got a gun. I was about to say this guy's literally just doing his job. Oh, son of a bitch. Am I gonna be able to make this? Do I even want to make this? I guess we'll find out. Oh, I can't even back up. I can't really back up. I can't. I can't back up now. Can I move forward? I got more cops on. This is bad. Alright. Restart for checkpoint. Let's try this again. Okay. Try number 2, Electric Boogaloo. This time don't run over the guy. No matter how much he shoots at us. Does music play on this? Do I have songs turned off or something? Is it just like really quiet, like the beginning of the song? It's just not playing. Or am I just talking through that? Wait, this is playing something. Is that good? Kind of? Can I get up to the side, by the way? Yes, no, he jumps to the farther angle. Okay, good job. Wait, I was fucking scratching my nose there. Way to go. Boogly boogly. See you later. Alright, this time don't go that way. See you. What? I didn't even run anybody over. Alright, fine. Catch up so I can kill you, asshole. Come on. Come on. You know you're getting. Come on. There you go. No, wrong way. There you go. There we go. I love you. Oh my god. Alright. Well, hopefully he doesn't care if it's been exploded on.
Ah, you got it. How'd you convince him to give it back?
Violence.
I improvised something.
Give me a call if you need something.
What, like a gambling debt? Get the fuck out of here, you mom. Please give me level 4, please! Oh, I'm so close. What are you? Kiar. Oh, level 4. The thing I'm just right on the edge of. Wow, this is level 4? What is level 6? This looks shittier. You telling me these are 2 different cars? Have I done this,
Walking. I don't have time for you anyway.
Wow, fuck you. Have I done this one before? I don't think I've actually done this one before. Maybe I have. I don't know. But regardless, even if I have, which I don't think I have, then it'll be probably enough face experience to level up.
You want to fight? You look like you might survive a couple of rounds.
Sure.
The excellent Wei Shen! My fans will be very happy.
I'm sure they will.